Hi guys, hope you all are doing absolutely fine, and today's video is very special, as I'm sure you've read from the title that we have exported a Predator kit made in India to Australia. And guys, for those of you who all don't know what's a Predator kit, it's basically a car splitter kit that we manufacture here in India. And shout out to Mike who has installed this Predator kit in his car. You can find his Instagram link in the description. Go there, show him some love, give him a follow. With that said, let's just straight dive into the video. If you want to skip to a particular part of the video, the timestamps are on your screen. You can kindly do so. However, I suggest you view the entire video. So this is the basic design of the Predator kit that we have finalized. You can pause and have a look at it. This is how the kit has been transformed from a digital to reality, and as you can see, this is the finished product of the drawing that I just showed you. Now guys, this Predator kit is made from architectural alloy, and this is a lightweight. This is not made of ABS, so this is a more durable as compared to the ABS splitter. And the best part about this kit is that this can be custom made to your preference or to suit your vehicle. In this case, we have opted for a tri-piece front splitter. The reason that we have opted for a 3-piece front splitter is because number one, it is easier to pack and ship to the customer. Number two, it is cost effective. Number three, if a particular part gets a damage, you don't need to replace the entire front lip. Only the particular part that is damaged can be replaced. Now the side skirts that you see are again a custom pieced side skirts, and these have a particular inserts that we can again customize. Here we have opted for a hexagonal pattern. Now this pattern can be customized according to the preference of the client. The party trick of this entire kit is the rear custom diffuser, and this is probably the most badass diffuser that we have designed. With this design, we have set all guns blazing, the creme de la creme of all the diffusers. I mean, I personally quite like the way the rear diffuser has turned out, and you will see once when it's installed on the car, you will see that it's complementing the overall aesthetic appeal of the vehicle. Having said that, we can also customize the kit even further according to the preference of the client. And if you want to fit the diffuser or the entire kit for that matter to a particular body style of a vehicle, to a SUV body type or a sports or a coupe body type, we can customize the kit accordingly. The fitment of this kit is also a real simple. I have uploaded a video on YouTube regarding the fitment of this kit. I'll link that video also in the description. You can check it out. Now we have to ship this kit to Australia to Mike, where he has fitted this kit onto his car. So fast forward 20 days and I'll show you how this kit is looking on his vehicle. So guys, this is how the kit is looking after installation, and a huge shout out to Mike for cooperating so much and recording the entire video and sending it across to me. And this is how the front splitter is looking. Here's the hexagonal design pattern that I was talking about in the previous clip. And moving ahead, this is again a tri-splitter. So suppose if a particular part is damaged, you don't need to replace the entire kit. You can only replace the particular part that's damaged. And as you can see, the ground clearance of the vehicle is also not compromised after installation of this kit. This is again another advantage of installing such type of splitter kits onto your car. It gives your car that added attitude that it requires, and in my personal opinion, it really suits the car. So moving along to the sides, you can see that these are again the full length splitter that we offer. So in case if you don't want a full length side splitter, you can always get it customized to a half length, or you can even change the design pattern on the splitters. Like here you can see the hexagonal design that can again be changed. The shape, like how it's tapering towards the end, you can change that as well. We can custom make any design that you fancy, and also we can make any design according to the body type of the car. Like we can make a design for sedans or SUVs, or maybe for that matter we can make it for a coupe or a convertible. You just have to give us proper measurements and your reference, like whether you want a sharp design or maybe an understated design with a not so much curves and cuts. Also guys, another thing I would like to highlight here is that these kits are again reusable. So suppose if you have installed this in your car and you are planning to sell your car, now you can remove these splitters and install it on to your new car if it is the same body type. Another customization option that we offer with this kit is colors. Now this kit that you see here is a matte black powder coated. Now we can offer this in red and white as well. Also the white radium that you see is again customizable. You can opt for a blue radium or a white or a silver or even a red radium. Since this kit is made up of architectural alloy, there is no problem of rusting. Guys, one more thing I would like to highlight here is that this kit is again installed by Mike himself, and as you can see it is very easy to install. If you know your way around a screwdriver, it is pretty easy for you to get this kit installed on your car. It is basically just nuts, bolts and a couple of screws and you are good to go. The idea behind this kit is to give you a proper DIY car customization experience, and it is fairly easy to install. It is not difficult. So guys, that was the video. I hope you liked it, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. We are nearing 100k, and when we hit 100k, there's a special free customization giveaway that's going to happen, so stay tuned for that. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Vinay signing off. Never stop dreaming. I'll see you in the next one.